This styrofoam base piece wants to move around on me, and I want to make sure that it's secure. So, you know, when I've got all of my accessories on it and everything, I don't want it to move. So what I'm going to do is push these together, and then I'm going to take my floral pins and go in at an angle in between the two pieces of styrofoam base, and then push it in. Probably do another one right here, and then probably toward the front here. And then secure it over here. I must have did that on this piece before or something. And then right here, I'll do it as well. And then I'll probably do one over here, but I might wait until I get my cords taken care of because I need to pin those down. So now, to be able to hide my floral pins, I can put either a row down over top of that, or I can use accessories to cover those up.